Awana te rā he whakarite waka te mahi, a ngā kaitūao mau hā te mawhero ki te whakataetai āmotu.
Waka Ama races can't start unless we've got waka on the water. So we all gather at some terrible hour in the morning to make sure that we load out the waka safely, ensure that they are organised into their lanes, their proper lanes, and that we're ready for the race.
No mai rā no kua tūteri ngā ria gārnā o Ngāti toa rangatira me Ngāti Raukawa, hei kaitūao mō ngā kaupapa Waka Ama huri noa i te motu, mai ona rā hoe waka, tainoa ki tēnei rā.
Loading bay is a really physical space to be, and we like it that we keep working and working just to keep us motivated that the children are getting onto the water.
It's actually a bit of a marathon to get here. We've been here since Thursday and we have 150 volunteers that make this event happen. So for us, just getting to the start line is a really big achievement.
Okay, we've got 1 minute, 1 minute, team, 1 minute.
E whakapau wera ana, e nei kaitūao kia tutuki wawea i ngā mahi, e ai ki te tumu whakarai o Waka Ama Aotearoa, ko te whanaungatanga, tētehi tino kaupapa.
But it's all of the clubs around Aotearoa, you know, they're all volunteers, all of the coaches, the managers, the people organising, you know, it's a lot of work that goes in for quite a number of months to make it happen.
This morning we had 20 people and it took us 39 minutes, so we try and beat that time as much as we can.
He māmā me te tamāhine a ria rāua ko Megan, a koe nei ko te tautua torua Megan, hei kaitūao ki ngā whakataetai nei.
My mum got wind that I was not coming to nationals and so she volunteered my time. So this is my 3rd year volunteering with the intentions of, yes, getting back into paddling myself, but never happens.
There's a lot of hurdles, but people still come and they love it, and I think that you know, the racing on the water is exciting and it's competitive, but it's the vibe on the land. It's the whanaungatanga. It's getting to see people that we didn't see since last year and catch up, and I think that's probably what's the most important thing about our sport is the people.
A little bit short on helpers this morning, but that's what gets the hype up, is that we're all here turning up to get ready.
Kua tutuki, ngā mahi a ngā kaitūao nei, e oi, e tū tonu te taima tere rawa ki te whakarite Waka Ama. Te Kawa Paora, mā Aukaha.
Tuturu whakamaua kia tīna!
Tīna!
Haumi e hui e!
Ko te reo, te take.